Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Christian Wisdom Vault is one of the largest curated collections of timeless Christian books, bringing together 1,000 classic Christian titles in one professionally organized digital library. Every book is sorted into clearly defined categories, allowing you to quickly find the content you need instead of searching through hundreds of random files. Unlike many public domain collections that only provide static PDF documents, Christian Wisdom Vault delivers every book as a fully editable Microsoft Word file. This makes it simple to customize, modernize, rebrand, repurpose, or combine the content into completely new resources. Whether you're a Christian publisher, ministry leader, educator, blogger, content creator, AI user, or digital product seller, this collection provides a ready-made content library that removes months or even years of gathering and organizing material. The package also includes full PLR rights, giving you the flexibility to create your own products, teach from the content, or build new faith-based resources within the included license terms.